Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to make your last seen status private on Telegram the updated way. Whether you want to stay invisible to strangers or just have more control over your privacy, these quick steps will help you do it in less than a minute. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, we'll look for the menu icon at the top left corner. It could look like three horizontal lines, or on some versions, you'll see your profile icon instead. Tap it to open your menu. Next, scroll down and select Settings. This is where Telegram stores all your account options. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Privacy and Security. This section handles everything related to who can see your information and how your account interacts with others. Inside the Privacy and Security menu, find the option that says Last Seen and Online. Tap it. This is where Telegram lets you control who can see when you were last active. You'll see a few options here: Everybody, My Contacts, and Nobody. If you choose My Contacts, only the people saved in your contact list will be able to see your last seen status. Everyone else won't have access to that information. They'll simply see last seen recently instead. You can also fine-tune your settings by adding exceptions. For example, if you want specific people to always see your status or to completely hide it from certain contacts, Telegram lets you customize that with always share with or never share with. Once you've made your choices, tap the checkmark or back arrow to save your settings. That's it. Your last seen status is now private and visible only to the people you've chosen. Taking a moment to adjust a setting can help you keep your online presence more discreet and give you peace of mind while using Telegram.